Hi everyone, this is Sumit Bihani, and in this video I'd like to demonstrate few of the uncovered functions or less used functions of PowerPoint presentation. When I started my journey with PowerPoint, I was finding it very difficult to make PowerPoint presentations because we are always usually working on Word file. And I'll demonstrate two or three small tricks which will help you write good PowerPoint, or which will help you make amazing PowerPoint presentation. One out of which is designer. So there are two ways I'll demonstrate the power of designer. One is when I write a subject here called TDS on purchase of house property. Then I go to designer, and let's see what it says. So one option it is giving me, which I liked, was this, which is showing a contextual picture with the with the description or the header, which is TDS on purchase of house property, and it is showing you multiple houses. The second option could be this, where you are buying a property and there's a key attached. So this way you can keep on writing your topic, and this will accordingly showcase different pictures to elaborate what I said. So if I write a logistic business here and then I go to designer, let's see how it. So it's giving me a image like this, or it can be an image like this. So depending, if you are into a road transport, you might feel this relevant, or alternatively, if you are in a cargo shipping business, you might like this photo. But now imagine a situation. So this even looks nice, a very clean thing, and you can start the PowerPoint presentation from here. But now imagine a situation where I am supposed to, or I liked a photo, or I made a photo through ChatGPT, which is here. So today through DALI E, we had made a, I use a paid subscription of ChatGPT. I had made a different image for myself. So based on my prompts, I made an image where there's a family and they purchased a house. And so how do I use this? So I simply select the photo from here, I paste it here, or do a simple drag and drop. Now in previous case, we were required to adjust this photo or do things, take it left, right, center. But now I again call for this function called designer. So let's see what designer helps. So one, it has adjusted the photo. Second, it has used the tonality of the color which is in sync with this. Or again, it is showing you different options the way you want to use. So one, in this, it has taken the photo to right, on the left, on the center, or there are different options which you can keep on trying. So if you want to write for few more text on the PPT, you can use this option where you can even write something about the section or based on your own requirement. So this was one. And second, I'd like to show you one more good use case, or one more common thing which you would appreciate or you would like in PPT, which is called a SmartArt. So how do I use SmartArt? Say for instance, while making a video about Power Query, I had made these five pointers that I'll cover. So I paste the pointers here. So this looks very cool, very mundane PPT. It does not have any structure. Or I don't like this, so I call a function called convert to SmartArts, and look, the magic happen. So one, this is now showing me the SmartArts available. So I don't like this design, so I'll go here, and it will, based on my requirement or my flow of information, it will change the kind of design I want to put here. So simple typing of the data or copy pasting of the data, and say for instance I want to use a cycle, that this data has a cyclic data relationship. So based on the relationship of my data, I can make my data or present my data in a better way. So this is a very good tool. If you are not using, I would recommend it on a high basis, that you should use this tool to make your PPT stand out from the others. But again, one of my few of my friends would say that if this is so easy, Can we use designer? Yeah, I believe even designer works here, but the only difference which designer might have is it will not probably understand your process flow. So if you are using a flow chart with respect to, if you want to use a flow chart or any relationship to this words, so designer might not understand. So you can use convert to smart art, or alternatively, so this is what designer is giving us: a simple drag and drop option, and it makes your PPT feel stand out. Even if you see, these icons have been selected from the data presented here. So I would highly recommend you to use these two tools of Excel, or sorry, MS PowerPoint, and make your PPT stand out. Thank you so much. Bye bye.